Are you recording somehow?
We're gonna do. We're gonna look at that. Look at that butt. Oh yeah, it's so luscious.
Natalie, you pervert.
We're gonna do a what?
Back handspring.
We're gonna do a back handspring for Gelmy and all those others who didn't believe.
Is my hair a mess?
More or less. Well, we're just waiting for the teacher to help her out on this one. This is her gymnastics class. Her shirt,
My work shirt?
has her name on it. That makes her cooler than you, whoever is watching. I'm gonna put this on Facebook, definitely.
It won't upload.
It won't? Do you have a SD card?
USB thing?
Yeah, like an SD card to put in your phone?
Like a memory card?
Yeah.
There's a memory card in there.
So get an adapter and put it on your computer and download it. I mean, like, not download it, put it on your computer and then upload it from there. I'm gonna pause it.
Mom. Yeah.
Watch this.